So this was old tobacco barn.
Yeah.
So if everybody looks at the inside of it, in Tennessee we got a lot of tobacco farms. So what they do is they will string the tobacco from these beams and have it all throughout here, and then they would build fires in here and let it smoke, and it would smoke the tobacco to whatever flavor they were doing,
Yeah.
and then they would sell the tobacco. So it's an old tobacco barn. But the lumber on the outside of it, that old lumber it's worth money. I mean, I don't know what it's worth. We didn't discuss this beforehand. If we would have discussed it beforehand, we might could have Googled it and sold what it's worth. But I know a lot of people are interested in that kind of lumber. So your question is, would you be better off to come in here, disassemble it, and sell the wood off, or would you do better to come in here and build a new one?
We want to rehab this.
So $70,000 or less to rehab it. And what's that mean? Just rehab it structurally?
Yeah, get this thing working to be an actual workshop. We got dirt everywhere. There's no tables.
So what would you say is your square footage right here?
It's like 120 feet.
No way. Well, hold on, I can tell you. So that's 65 feet. Now, y'all just watch me do that, right? I'm gonna get a tape measure out of my truck before I leave here, and we're gonna measure it, and we're gonna see how close I am. It might be 70 feet, but it's 65 to 70 feet. So it's 65 by 40 or 70 by 40, somewhere up in there. 2,100 square feet. I would say if you built if it's gonna cost you more money to come in here, tear this building down, build a new building. If you can have you might just have somebody tear it all down for the lumber, and you have no cost in the tear down. You know, they might just take it down for the lumber.
How much do you think I could get for that? 10 to 20 grand?
I mean, they use that lumber for a lot of stuff, so I mean, people will pay for it.